If you have 2 ripe bananas sitting in your kitchen, don't throw them away. Turn them into this incredibly soft, moist, and chocolatey banana cake. Let's get started. Take 2 ripe bananas. Peel the bananas, cut them into small pieces, and transfer them to a mixing bowl. Now, add half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. Using a hand blender, blend everything together until the bananas are completely smooth and you have a creamy mixture. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves chocolate, and follow for more easy and delicious recipes. Now we're going to add 2 eggs, but add them one at a time. Add the first egg and mix it really well into the banana mixture. Then add the second egg and mix again until everything is nicely combined. If you want to make this cake without eggs, you can substitute the eggs with about 1/3 cup of milk. Now place a strainer over the bowl. Into the strainer, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all of these dry ingredients directly into the banana mixture. Don't skip the sifting step. It helps remove any lumps from the cocoa and flour and gives us a smoother, lighter cake batter. Now, gently mix everything together until the dry and wet ingredients are combined. And now for even more flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and give the batter another gentle mix. Finally, add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Fold those chocolate chips into the batter so you get little pockets of melted chocolate throughout every slice. Take an 8-inch cake mold and grease it well so the cake releases easily after baking. Pour all of that beautiful chocolate banana batter into the prepared mold. Spread the batter evenly, and of course, we need a little more chocolate. Sprinkle some extra chocolate chips over the top. This gives the finished cake an irresistible chocolatey topping. Now it's time to bake. Make sure your oven is already preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the cake into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes. Once the cake is baked, take it out of the oven and allow it to cool for a little while before unmolding. Don't try to remove it immediately because the cake will still be very soft while it's hot. Once it has cooled slightly, carefully unmold it. Now slice into it and look at that beautiful texture. Soft, moist, chocolatey, with sweet banana flavor and little melted chocolate chips in every bite. And our delicious chocolate banana cake is ready to serve. This is such an easy way to turn ripe bananas into an irresistible homemade treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves chocolate, and follow for more easy and delicious recipes. Now grab a slice and enjoy.